Hey there! If you've been looking into international money transfers, multi-currency accounts, or business payment solutions, chances are you've stumbled across Airwallex. They're a huge name in the global business finance world. And when people see all those amazing features, like holding balances in multiple currencies, competitive foreign exchange rates, and easy global transfers, the big question always pops up: this sounds incredible, but can I use Airwallex for my own personal stuff? It's a great question, and I get why so many of you ask it. Airwallex seems like a fantastic tool for managing money across borders. Maybe you travel a lot, have a foreign mortgage, or just want to send money to family overseas without getting hammered by bank fees. Well, let's get straight to the answer. Officially, Airwallex is designed and structured for businesses. Their platform is built around business needs: corporate cards, mass payouts to suppliers, payment gateway integration for e-commerce, and multi-entity accounts. When you sign up, you apply as a business entity, a sole trader, a corporation, a partnership, and so on. This is the key distinction. You need a legitimate business reason and an accepted business structure to open an account. So, if your current goal is just to pay your rent in London while living in New York, or if you want a personal travel card to avoid foreign transaction fees, Airwallex is generally not the right fit. It's not set up to be a personal spending account like a traditional bank or a personal remittance service. Now, a common scenario that does sometimes fit under their umbrella is the sole trader or freelancer. If you are a designer, a consultant, or a developer, and you are officially registered as a sole proprietorship, Airwallex might be relevant because you are receiving income as a business, even if you are the only employee. You'd be using it for business-related income and expenses, which is their core focus. But for the average person looking for a personal foreign currency wallet, you'll need to look at alternatives that are specifically licensed and designed for personal remittances and spending. Think services like Wise, formerly TransferWise, or Revolut. They target the consumer market and are built for your travel and personal transfer needs. So, to wrap it up, is Airwallex an amazing tool? Absolutely. But save it for your business ventures. For your personal global money needs, there are other fantastic tools built just for you.